I take medicine with water.
I take medicine with water.
I embrace my granddaughter lovingly.
I embrace my granddaughter lovingly.
I serve warm cookies happily.
I serve warm cookies happily.
I hold my granddaughter hand.
I hold my granddaughter hand.
I walk with my husband.
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 I share special moments together.
I share special moments together.
I show the OK sign.
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 I hug my grandson warmly.
I hug my grandson warmly.
I carry purse and stick.
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 I hold a hot coffee.
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 I knit a woolen scarf.
I knit a woolen scarf.
She is eating pasta.
She is eating pasta.
She is cooking in kitchen.
She is cooking in kitchen.
She is offering some food.
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 She is baking with child.
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 She is making soft dumplings.
She is making soft dumplings.
She prepares meals with love.
She prepares meals with love.
She hugs with fresh tulips.
She hugs with fresh tulips.
She gives gift to child.
She gives gift to child.
She feels sad today.
She feels sad today.
She is video calling grandson.
She is video calling grandson.
She teaches proper hand washing.
She teaches proper hand washing.
Grandmother speaks very slowly.
Grandmother speaks very slowly.